In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Microsoft Outlook emails by date in a fast and efficient way, as outlined in our 2025 guide. Let's dive in and get started. First, let's navigate to the Home tab in your Microsoft Outlook application. This is where you'll find most of the email management tools that we'll need today. Once you're in the Home tab, direct your attention to the option labeled Filter Email. Click on this and you'll see several filter options appear. These options include filtering your emails to show only those from this week, this month, or even selecting a custom range that suits your specific needs. If you're looking to quickly filter emails based on broad timeframes, this is the simplest and fastest method. However, if your needs are more particular and you require a detailed search, there's another method you can use that provides more granular control over your email filtering. Instead of stopping at the options under Filter Email, let's take it up a notch by exploring Search Tools. Here, you'll find an option called Advanced Find. Clicking on this will open up a window with multiple tabs, but what we want here is the Advanced tab. In this section, you can set specific date filters as per your requirements. Maybe you need emails from a particular date range that isn't covered by the generic options offered directly under Filter Email. This is where Advanced Find truly shines. While setting these filters, take note that the interface allows you to refine your search with other criteria as well, such as the sender, subject, or even keywords contained within the body of the emails. This feature is incredibly useful if you recall who sent the email or particular information that pertains to it, but the date is the main criterion you'd like to use. Now, if you're using a web version of Outlook or a different layout, don't fret. The general steps remain similar. Look for filtering or search options in the menus typically associated with your emails. The key is finding that balance between speed and specificity depending on your requirement. Mastering these filtering options can drastically improve your efficiency in managing emails. Whether you're looking for that crucial email your supervisor sent last month or simply sorting through weekly newsletters, knowing how to filter by date will save you time and keep your inbox organized. Remember, the easier it is to find your important messages, the more streamlined your communication process will be. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your Outlook email management skills. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.